Maybe you've heard a song on Spotify that you love and you want to create a playlist for it. Or, maybe you don't know how. Or maybe you want to organize your favorite songs into a fun playlist for a party, a road trip, or a workout. So don't worry, I'll walk you through it. First things first is you got to open up the Spotify app or website and go to your library. From there, you're going to click on Create Playlist to get started. Next, give your playlist a name like Summer Vibes, Workout Hits, or Smash Your Head. After that, you could start adding a hammer. You can start adding songs. You could search for your favorite songs, or you can browse through your recommended playlists. And don't forget, you could also collaborate with friends and let them add their own favorite songs. So you want to make it extra special? Customize your playlist with a cool cover image and description. Okay? So now that you're all set to enjoy your playlist anytime, create your own, have fun, relax, get a massage. Love you. Ciao.